So there's supposed to be a Pony Express station coming up. We'll see if I want to stop or not, but it could be something to come back for. I'm pretty tired and ready to be in Lincoln. Woo, child, there's a long train. How many cars is that? Or engines? Wow. I didn't count, but I'm gonna be here for a while, I think. That's insanity. Stop the insanity. No, just kidding. So there's a Pony Express site a mile off the road. Given what I'm experiencing right now, I really should have taken that little 1 mile trip. But there was a sign also that said August 31st Pony Express Festival. So I've forgotten the name of the town. But well, it's not really a town, it's just sort of a crossroads back there. And the festival's probably at the historic site, or the station, old station. So if I can look it up, that would be good. I'm on some damn highway. Gosh, I'm really spent. Okay, at the tracks. And let me look up what highway I'm on. I'm still in Kansas on 148. And yeah, All American Road, I think it's also called. So, woo-wee. Still going. I think I see the end. Hope so. This is the end, my only friend, the end. You probably could have done without that last car. I don't know. Maybe not.